Today I'm going to show you how you can trim your video using CapCut. I'm going to show you how you can trim the beginning, trim the end, as well as cut out a section in the middle of your clip as well. So first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the CapCut app opened and you want to select a new project here. Now you should have a bunch of videos already listed. If you don't, then you'll need to go into your settings and you'll need to allow CapCut to use those videos that you have in your Photos app. I'm going to go ahead and select a little clip here, and then you want to go ahead and select add, and now you have a new project started. So it's actually very, very simple to trim the beginning and the end of a clip. You simply just want to tap on the clip, so that way you have this little highlighted white border around it, and then you're going to see this little notch down here at the end. And then all you got to do is tap this, and then you want to tap and hold, and then you just want to scroll to where you want your video to begin. You could do that same thing to the end of your video. You tap on it, and then you select this, you tap it, and then you drag it to where you want the video to end. All right, so to take out a middle portion of your video, we're going to have to go ahead and split the clip. So you want to find the part of the video, and you want to find the start of the part of your video in which you want to clip out. So let's say I want to clip out right here. I'm going to go ahead, make sure that the clip is selected, and then you want to tap on where it says split, and then you want to scroll to where you want the portion that you're going to delete to be taken out. So I'll scroll till about here. I can select split. And then what we want to do is we want to select the little portion in the middle here that we were just cutting out. And then we want to select where it says delete. And now that portion is deleted. So this is everything you pretty much need to know about trimming video inside of CapCut. If it helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.